there, it's Gayle with BERNINA of Naperville, and there's a lot to tell you. So I thought I'd welcome you into the store. Summer is here finally, thank goodness for that. And we've got some fun classes coming up June through July, and some new kits, some new fabrics, all that good stuff. So let me just take you on a tour through the store a little bit and talk to you a little bit about the first hot item on the agenda, and that is that we have Gayle Yellen visiting us. Now, Gayle Yellen is from Gayle Patrice Designs, and she just makes those sergers sing. Whether it's overlocking or cover stitching, you are going to want to make sure that you come check her out, because just for you, we have added some extra spots for our Saturday class on June 10th. Now, this is from 10 to 4. We're providing a light lunch. You're going to have an opportunity to try some accessories, try the machines under Gayle's instruction, and she's also got a trunk show of all of her cool things that she's made and a little lecture demo to get to know her a little bit. So hope you can make it. It is this Saturday, 10 to 4, and you can sign up right on our BERNINA of Naperville website. We have some other cute classes coming up, especially for those of you that are looking to learn to sew. So this wrist pin cushion, we did this as a fat quarter project a little bit back, but you know what? It's a quick little thing that you can make and treat yourself with and enjoy using one of our machines. We are going to provide you the pattern, the machine, the fabric, and all of the notions that you need to make this cute little pin cushion. And that's July 14th from 3 to 5. We also have this super cute book caddy. Now, this book caddy has elastic on a little container, and it slips right on a book, so it can hold your pages, numbers, it can do whatever, but we just think it's super cute. And this class is Friday, June 16th, 1 to 3. And once again, we're going to include everything you need. You get a fat quarter of your choice to make one book caddy. You get the zipper, thread to match, use of the sewing machine, pattern, and just bring your basic sewing notions if you have them. Another thing, that if you are dabbling and wanting to get into quilting a little bit, we have a little quilt start to finish. And this is Saturday, July 29th from 11 to 3. And we're going to be doing a disappearing churn dash that goes around a square and a square. So you might want to check that one out. We also have our, back by popular demand, this serger shoe bag, because people love making this little bag, especially if you're a little bit intimidated by a serger. This might be the way to go. Now, some of you that come in often are always wanting to know how to use your sewing machine. Well, we have a how to use a sewing machine class. And then another popular thing that you ask is how to make a scrunchie. So we're also covering that as well. On July 13th, we added a virtual class. It's a virtual boot camp for your BERNINA 8 series, and we really hope that you can make that, because this is an opportunity that we can guide you through some troubleshooting, just some quick tips and pro tips for your BERNINA 8 series, and an opportunity for you to have some live question and answer sessions. Now, of course, we're decked out with the Tula Pink Everglow collection, but we have some wonderful new fabrics from our friends at Ruby Star Society. I just love it. Amy's made some samples. They're getting quilted and bound. We can't wait to show you, but we also have some new kits and everything out of some of our new fabrics. So let's start with this super cute ghost pattern and kit. And Amy put this one together, and this is made out of the Spooky collection from Art Gallery Fabrics. And we also have another kit available that we did last year, and this one is from the Judy Quilt, and we have one sad little quilt kit of those. And then the Pickle Dish fabric from Dana Willard from Figo Fabrics. Well, it is really nice in this pattern, and this kit is available as well. And Lucky Log Cabin, well, we thought this was just a super cute way to show off this Gone Fishing quilt. And regardless if you're really into little fish and river lake house stuff, we think that this all looks really good together. And then if you want to go camping, well, our Happy Camper quilt kit is pretty cute. So this one is kind of interesting because you use fusible grid interfacing and it's made out of a bunch of little squares. Now, we can't not talk about some of our Kimberbell quilt kits, like our Love Notes one. This was made by Amy's stepdaughter, Kaylin, and she did such a good job on it, and we just love it so much. And we have a ton of other Kimberbell kits all ready to go for you with the designs, the embellishments, and the fabrics. And I have to tell you, one of the cutest things I've seen in a long time is this pretty posh little purses with all the little zippers and the tassels and everything that you need to make these cute little purses. You just have to add the fabric, but you know what? If you're like me, you have a stash of some small snippets you can dig through, right? Look at those tassels. They're so cute. And then we don't have the fabrics anymore, but we do have the pattern and the embellishment kit for dun dun dun. We Whisk You a Merry Christmas. This one is just a really popular go-to project for the holidays here at Bernina of Naperville. Now, from our friends at Scissortail Stitches, we've got the new Everglow collection, the Stay Wild. There's a lot of new design collections that we have from OESD. And we also carry the standard OESD designs as well. And there's a lot of cute things to choose from them as well. And you want to look for future classes on these coming up. We're doing the turkeys, we're doing a Christmas tree tiling scene, and we're doing a sugar shack. And don't forget, for a lot of these tiling scenes, we have full thread kits available. And we also package our own little kits, like for these little pumpkin mug rugs, you're getting a fat quarter kit and some thread. And also there's ones for the freestanding applique pumpkins. Now you're going to get enough fabric to start your very own pumpkin. Or maybe you want to make them out of some of this Luxe Sparkle vinyl. This stuff is awesome because you can get an iron near it and it doesn't even blink, this stuff. And don't forget about all of the cool things that we do in our Top of the Line Club or our Bernina Club. Now, Top of the Line Club meets every Tuesday from 11 to 1, and Bernina Club meets every Wednesday from 11 to 1. And you don't have to come every month. You can certainly just show up when you can, but we have found that the folks that attend these classes are really getting the most out of their machine because we do some really fun things. We do off-the-edge sewing, we've done fringing, we've done stuff with the punch tool, we do a lot of jumbo hoop stuff, we've done free motion, you name it. And you know what? We're always looking for more ideas for our clubs. And we recently just introduced Long Arm Club. And then we have the topics for that posted right on our website under our Bernina Long Arm Club. And it's just a great way, whether you have a sit-down Q series or you have the Q series on frame, we're trying to do something to accommodate you. And even if you have a sit-down model and you're seeing that this particular club is more around the frame, don't fret because there's usually always a way that we can do that project on your sit-down option. We also have our online classes in addition to that Zoom that I mentioned. We have our patchwork patterns available anytime you want to take it online. And we've even kitted some fabrics to get you started. Now, some of the fabrics are waning and we're going to have to make substitutions and everything, but it's not really so much about the fabrics. You know what it's about? It's about this precision course that's going to help you really master a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, cutting, knowing where you might go wrong, pressing techniques, just different new techniques to do a time-honored craft like a standard sampler quilt. So you'll be taken through 9 different blocks to kind of just get started with quilting. If you've thought it's something you want to do, this is a great opportunity because you can learn at your own pace. If you're local here, you can even take the class and then when you have questions, come in and somebody here can help you because I designed the program, but everybody that works here has also taken this class. So maybe that'll be something that you can check out. Another online class that we have is our Ode to Valentina. Now, Valentina Bukiva is a Bernina expert that is just known for her amazingly free motion embroidered, quilted handbags, and her work is just absolutely amazing, and we're just very humbled to even try to dabble in this a little bit. But you know what, sometimes we grow and sew together, so I thought it was a great option for you if you really want to kind of have the look of something Valentina's done. We have 4 classes scheduled. They run through October, and each class is going to kind of teach you a different technique to get that beautiful texture look that she has in her handbags. And hey, you know what? Maybe there are some of you out there that really love cosplay. And if you don't know what cosplay is, that's costume play. And basically, think of like taking the most fantastic quilt you've ever made or the most amazing wedding dress and taking those skills as a hobby where you just want to dress up as your favorite character. It could be an original character that you've come up with, or it could be paying homage to a favorite superhero, character from a movie, manga, anime, anything that really has sparked passion in you. You could transform yourself into this character. Well, Anna, who works here with us for the summer, is offering cosplay courses on Thursday nights here at BERNINA of Naperville. And we've put together 6 courses, and she is just so eager to share her knowledge, show off her amazing talent, and just be here to help you if you want to grow your cosplay craft. And even if you don't, even if you're just kind of curious to have a look at these costumes and see what Anna creates, join her on Thursday nights. We have these right up on our BERNINA of Naperville website. All right, well, that's just a little bit about what's going on here at BERNINA of Naperville. There's one last thing. There is an accessory of the month here for June of 2023, and it happens to be the pin tuck feet. Now, good news, because we have a pin tuck foot video to show you kind of the differences between the number 30, the 31, the 32, the 33, and which double needles that you're going to need to use with those feet to make just the perfect pin tuck. I'm sure there's something that I forgot to tell you about, but you know what? If you have any questions and you have just something on your mind, don't forget to check out our BERNINA of Naperville YouTube channel, and there you can like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, you can always call the store at 331-472-4231 if you have any questions. And oh my gosh, imagine this. You can actually come in to our brick and mortar store to shop as well. But anyway, really hope that you can see us on Saturday for the Gayle event, but if not, we'll catch you later. Thank you.